Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Come back. Yoshi, come back please.
It is the 10th of Feb today. And it's my birthday.
It's your birthday, 29th birthday. Oh my god. Oh, that's a lot of snow. That's quite a lot of snow. Shall we go?
I'm meant to be at work today, but because of the snow, I've asked to work from home because it's too dark.
Do you see that? Do you see that? That's the height of the snow. This is quite bad actually. It's worse than yesterday. I don't know if I should be doing it.
What, you're going to make an angel?
I'm freezing though.
Lorraine and everyone did it yesterday. Lorraine and everyone did it yesterday.
Okay. Oh my god. Come closer. It's really cold. It's really cold. It was really cold.
Hello, let's walk.
Okay, this is... I was not expecting it to be this bad.
I'm telling you again, babe. You think this is bad? My work is worse. I had at least 1 foot yesterday.
Yeah. Hola. Happy birthday, lady. Happy birthday, Dumpling. 29. Last year of our 20s. Getting old. Oh, it's bloody cold today. Oof. We are going to grab some cake. Oh, it's slippery here. Wow, it's very slippery. Over there is better, right? Grippy. Here it's like, because it's become like flatter. Yeah, it's completely compact. Oh my god, disgusting. Hello, birthday girl. How you doing?
Alright?
Feeling 29 yet?
No.
No? How old do you feel?
How old is 29 supposed to feel like?
Like 29, like old AF. How old do you feel? 19? Feel more like 22. I'm always 22. Oh, really cold again. I don't like this weather. I'm wearing like 3 layers. Oh.
We are done with our work today, so we're gonna go and shovel my car.
We've ordered the food?
Yeah, we've ordered our Indian food.
Should we do like a mukbang?
Yeah, can do.
Record the video.
We're just gonna get rid of the snow out by my car so that tomorrow we can go to, well, I can go to work. Oh, I didn't put socks on.
You didn't put socks on?
In my shoes.
You didn't put socks on? Yeah. What's wrong with you? Oh my god, it's really...
It's not actually that bad, is it? Hopefully by tomorrow it'll be absolutely fine.
Show me your prowess. Show me your throwing prowess. One more try, you try. Give me your best shot. Oh!
Okay, that's too cold now. Okay. No. You're just brushing it onto the other car.
I don't care.
Babe. Oh!
So we got some Indian food delivered, and it comes in this interesting bag.
Oh, it's really hot.
Yeah?
Yeah. Roti and butter naan.
Roti and butter naan. Butter naan and tandoori roti. Man, everything is piping hot.
It's really hot, right?
We also have a little cake that is gonna cut later. Not bad.
Really hot. Oh, nice. This is
Other way around. South Indian food.
la 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 la.
Lal mas. Wait, you only ordered this much?
Yeah.
Dal makhani, lal mas, South Indian chicken and chili paneer.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't expect it to be a gravy. That's fine. Lamb, Rajasthani style lamb. Looking good.
Oh, it smells good. It smells really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is an interesting jhola bag it came with, which is pretty reusable for our grocery shopping. Dal makhani, looking alright. And then we have the South Indian chicken. Ooh, this looks nice. Oh, smells very good actually. Looking quite good actually. Ooh. That's the, ooh, butter naan.
Oh, it's quite big.
Oh wow.
It's huge.
Massive. Absolutely massive. So we have, again, sweet, not sweet, South Indian chicken, dal makhani, Rajasthani lal mas, and
How big is the roti?
chili paneer. Smaller, slightly smaller.
I'm so excited. I'm gonna try the chili paneer first.
Good. Take one. Yeah. Tasting some dal makhani.
Good.
Oh,
What did you try?
paneer.
The paneer? Yeah, the paneer is pretty good. What's this? Chicken.
South Indian chicken.
Yeah, South Indian chicken.
Chili.
Yeah, that is a chili.
I thought it's got how about you?
Okay for you,
Chicken
Dad?
is really tender.
How's it for you, Dad?
Okay,
Okay.
ginger.
The chicken is so tender and like juicy.
Oh,
Did you have the chicken? It's good, right?
wow.
Elaine and Johnny were right. It was very good.
I think paneer is my favorite.
Yeah? Have you tried all three?
Too spicy.
Yeah? That's more spicy.
This
Yes.
one? Three chili.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Can I have a little bit of that one as well, please?
Come. That's the
Thank you.
lamb.
This is the Rajasthani
Lal mas.
lamb. Lal mas.
Basically, lal mas means red meat,
Oh.
and red meat is basically lamb. How's lamb?
That's good.
Yeah?
I think the chicken is my favorite. The South Indian chicken.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wait.
Wait, I've not had the dal yet though.
Dal is just normal.
Huh? Huh?
It's not bad.
It's really good. I'm enjoying.
Yeah. This is the best takeaway we have done.
Yeah?
It's really good. Oh my god. Lamb is my favorite.
The dal flavour is quite good actually.
Yeah. Take some.
都有啲雞好似咩啲肉好似似雞肉。
How's
First I thought it was potato
How's
because
it
it was
for you,
quite
Dad?
soft.
Yeah?
Nice, yeah.
Spicy?
Yeah,
Too spicy for you?
yeah, it's spicy.
I think this is the spiciest.
I like it.
Did you try the paneer, Dad? Try that.
What's it?
It's, how do I explain it?
Paneer, it's just cheese, isn't it?
Cottage
Indian
cheese.
cheese.
So it's like,
Whole piece of cheese there.
well, it's not exactly cheese.
Oh,
I wouldn't call it cheese. You just take a bite with the roti or the rice. It's quite good. How's your naan?
Oh, it's good.
Yeah?
Yeah. How's your roti?
Yeah, it's alright. Yeah? Liking it so far?
I think flavour wise I prefer the chicken.
Yeah?
Yeah. There's something about it. It's really good.
It's the South Indian style, I guess.
Maybe. It's alcoholic free just in case you're worried.
The good thing is everything is so hot,
Yeah.
like temperature wise. It's spicy. There we go. My mom was like, oh, don't give it to Bex. I was like, it's gonna be non-alcoholic, guys. Relax. Move. Before it hurts you or hurts anybody else. How does it go about that? You ready? Oh yeah! Damn! That's loud! For you, my lady. Oh.
Thank you. Oh.
There you go.
Thank you.
For me, big one for me and Dad. Put the bottle aside. Happy birthday!
Cheers.
This is what lockdown birthday looks like. You just order food, stay in your bubble, and this is really good though.
It's really good.
So you want to take the chicken tomorrow, yeah?
I'm okay, whatever.
Whatever.
But
Take a mix of them, yes. Some chicken, some dal. Dal is quite good.
Thank you. Oh, I'm very impressed with this one. It's quite a new place, I think.
And we called for 6 and came at 6.
Yeah, exactly.
That was like sharp at 6.
Yeah.
Impressive stuff. Yeah, it's a new kind of takeaway only place.
We'll have a restaurant.
Same place?
If you go to their Facebook page, but obviously
Oh,
they
right.
can't be open right now.
Right. Better than the Mother India, at least for me.
Yeah?
Because Mother India last time we went.
Last time we went, I couldn't enjoy it, but I'm not sure if it's because of my first trimester nausea.
how good?
Okay, bad, did it?
How long is it from?
Oh yeah, you had a lot of rice actually.
Tissue.
Have you got it on your foot?
Don't overeat, okay?
Yeah, I know. This will probably be my last piece.
Quite good. I'm so glad we didn't order like another biryani or something. That would have been too much.
I think it's good to order more curries.
Yeah, because I can eat with the rice tomorrow.
Yeah.
We had 3 people and we still have so much food left. That's rice, and we're gonna pack some for lunch. Good. Okay, that's fine.
I'm full.
Full to the brim.
Hungry? He's hungry.
Huh?
Baby girl is hungry.
And boy?
I'm hungry.
Oh, yeah.
What do you want, baby girl? What do you want?
I know, Yoshi boy. I'm doing it as fast as I can.
Yeah. Yoshi coming! Stop meowing, please. Check it out.
Chop it away.
Do you hear the meows? How was your birthday dinner?
Good. Baby, this is your first Indian food.
Is it?
No.
You've been eating curry all day, every day.
This is your first real good Indian food.
So we just have a little tiny cake from Minas.
Yes.
It's not bad for. It's a quite nicely decorated cake.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Mine's a deep cake.
It's really deep cake.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
29 years oldie.
How big do you want?
Last year of your 20s.
Oh.
And then just take one piece for you and me.
Like this big? We share?
Yeah. Quite a solid cake.
Very solid.
Not bad.
And then the rest I can take to work.
Yeah. Indian people, right? What they like to do is feed cake. So
Yeah, I know.
you know what happens in India, right? Like we like to take the cake and be like, and then take a photo.
Yeah, I know. I've seen that.
You've seen that, right? It's a very desi thing. I don't even know how and what the logic behind it is. It's what they do. So they cut the cake and they'll be like, oh, and then they'll take a photo like this. Now look in the camera. Look in the camera. They'll be like. Oh, I like this cake.
It's not overly sweet.
It's quite nice. So hope you guys enjoyed our little kind of Indian food mukbang slash
Birthday vlog.
vlog-ish with some snow fights and car messy and all that crap. But yeah. The cake is alright, Dad?
Yeah, good.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a decent. I mean, I'm glad we got this because that was the only last one left. All of them were like sold out, and the red velvet was sold out as well. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you have not subscribed already, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this button, smash the like button. Oh my god, that was sweet.
It's the cream.
The icing is really sweet. But yeah, don't forget to like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to our channel and comment down below. What's your favorite type of cake? We'd like to know. And we will see you on our next video slash live stream slash reaction video. See you in the next video. Bye.